Hey everybody, happy Monday to you all. It's time for our chart of the week, and this week we're going to focus on cloud name Splunk, data entry or data name cloud name Splunk. It's in that really strong group along with Salesforce.com, Workday, ServiceNow, Oracle even. But we're going to focus in on this name over here. It's pulled back quite a bit since the earnings came out earlier in the month, and we think it looks like it's ready to set its sights towards higher prices again. So let's go ahead and mark this chart up as we go along. So we see that following earnings, the stock got drilled all the way down to the 50-day moving average here, right? But notice that the cloud over here, the green cloud, is still in effect, right? And that's acting as some pretty decent support here. We would have liked to see it not cross this line over here, but so the clouds got a little bit weaker and tightened a little bit. That shouldn't be much of a problem, as we've seen the MACD also come down, and we did see the momentum indicators like the relative strength and the Williams percent R also head lower. We think that this correction for Splunk of the past couple of weeks is over now. Stock went from about 142.5 all the way down to the 50-day moving average at about 122. So it's about a 20-point correction, roughly 16, 17%. That's kind of normal. If you look at past corrections here, we saw a good sized correction over here, much larger in October, similar in November than what we had in December. And this, in terms of points, this is about the same as it was back in November, December. So we think that this particular move down in Splunk is probably over. And again, now it's starting to ride the 50-day moving average. It tagged the 20-day moving average on Monday here, and we can see that right here, and it rejected over here. We think that this is really key. And once we get above that level one more time, the 20-day moving average, we can get above here. We think that this stock's got some room to get up. Quite a bit of resistance, however, from these couple of big selling days because they were up some pretty heavy volume. So we've got to kind of have to chew through that in a very slow, methodical way. But overall, Splunk had really good earnings. And also the key here is this, is that if you go back to the August highs, let me go ahead and draw a line in over here. See that the stock is kind of like right above, right around that level over here. And once the stock breaks through that level, which is kind of like right into where the 20-day moving average is, we should see the stock start to fly. All right, so that's Splunk. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.